Hi everyone, thank you for joining my channel today, and we would be working on my clients here. This is our traditional locks, about 120 locks. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you're using the right hook. The bigger one would be better option, and I'll also be using 0.5 mm crochet hook to tidy up or to repair our locks as I go on. All right. For this client, it's important that our grid is clean. So you would see me using a comb or even the hook to clean our parts as I work on our hair. And I need to say this, that if you're just joining my channel for the first time or you've been enjoying the channel, it's time to subscribe and click on the notification button, because this channel will give you so much value. I'll bring to you real life situations and how to be a loctician, or even just for educational purpose. I'll be posting a lot of videos that would help improve your skill or just increase your knowledge. Okay. So first off, I want to show you something you should avoid as a loctician when you're retiring. It is like unintentionally joining to the next lock, just like you can see there. Avoid that. If I pull that through, the next thing I know, that lock, the one down, is joined to the one above. Then for the next retire, you start ripping or using a scissors to separate. What this tells us is that you need to be in the moment as you're retiring. Keep watching what you're doing. You don't want to mess up your client's hair, or even if you're self-retiring, you don't want to mess up your locks. Okay? Yeah. And as usual, we like to talk about the scriptures. Today, I would like to say that, seest thou a man diligent in his business? I just want to encourage you to be diligent in whatsoever it is you find doing. Keep showing up for yourself. And if it's something that you're offering services, keep showing up for your clients. Keep doing you. And very soon, you'll be known for what you do. You'll stand before kings and not mere men. Me making this video today is standing before royalties just such as yourself. And I'm grateful for that. So let's continue. For this client, I'm using a 3-point rotation, which is important. You need, sometimes when you have transfer clients, it's good to just ask them, what is your rotation? Some people don't know. If they know, fine, you continue with that. If they don't, there are ways to figure it out. If you'd like me to do another video where I discuss how to know the right rotations to use for your client, please drop that in the comment section and I will do a video to detail that and explain it. So once again, watch me work. I'm cleaning up our locks, after which I go 3-point rotation. You notice for that I only did 2 points. Reason being that sometimes the growth is not enough for you to finish a cycle. It's okay to just stop where it stops to prevent tension. Remember, too much tension on your client's hair could cause their locks to thin out on the long run, but importantly, it causes tension that they don't want and pain. I'm sorry if you're hearing the background noise. Yeah, it just happens. So I want to say thank you once again for joining in today. If you have any question or anything you'd like me to discuss, let me know. Remember to hydrate your locks. They need hydration. If you are not allergic to oil your scalp once a week or twice a week, but don't overdo it to prevent having too much of buildups. Creating a routine for your locks is ultimate, okay? Your retire routine, your hydration routine, your wash routine, and here is the result. Once again, thank you for watching. If you've not already subscribed, please do so by subscribing to my channel. My name is Kemilis. See you next time.